Hello everybody, welcome back to TabiEats recipe video. I'm Satoshi. Today I'm gonna making Hojicha roasted tea. Hojicha is a roasted tea you can buy at a tea shop in Japan. It's very popular now and you can make it from green tea leaves. If you have old green tea leaves at home, please try. So the preparation is pretty easy. Prepare tea leaves. That's it. And tools, the frying pan and some of these spatula. That's it. It's very simple. But after I make hoji tea leaves, I will make something with hoji tea. So let's make hoji tea first. 3 tablespoons of green tea leaves on frying pan. Like this, evenly. Green tea leaves has nice flavor. So turn on the heat and the temperature should be low. You can find this hoji tea recipe on the net, and some recipe says warm it the frying pan first. I tried it, but a little bit difficult, a little bit tricky. The temperature should be just right. If it is too hot, it will burn. For the first time, I burned. Please be careful. And this way is much easier. After turn on the heat, please leave as it is for a while until the smell has come. In Japan, the hojicha is very popular now. So some people drink instead of coffee. The aroma is like coffee, light coffee, because it is roasted. And you can find a variety of dessert at the sweet shop. I love hoji tea. Maybe I prefer hoji tea than matcha. Yeah, I love matcha, but hoji tea, the roasted aroma of hoji tea is pretty nice for me. Okay, the aroma has turned into a little bit roasted. So, using this spatula and stir like this, not to be burned. Yeah, temperature should be low. If you burned, the tea become very bitter, unpleasant bitter. So be careful. You can see a little bit smoke. It's the sign of it is roasted. Color has turned into a little bit brown. Do not make it completely brown. The mix of green and brown is okay. It's okay. The aroma is so good. I love this roasted aroma. Every morning, I want to smell the aroma of coffee because of the roasted aroma. During I'm using coffee milk, the aroma come every morning. It's so good. Can you see? The color is changing. Okay. I think it's okay. The color is not vivid green. It's turned into brown. Still a little bit green part. It's nice timing. Okay, turn off the heat and 1 minute on the frying pan. Then rest on the plate. On that camera, the color you will see it's still green, but look, the color is different. This is the original color and this is a roasted color. It's a little bit brown than the original one. So let's brew hoji tea. Put 1.5 tablespoons of tea leaves, which I made, into the pot, and pour very hot water, the boiling water. For hoji tea, please use a very hot water. Okay, then pour very hot water into the pot. Look, can you see? The water is brown. The aroma, roasted aroma already came. So please wait about 1 minute. So I brewed hoji tea. Look, this color is brown and aroma. Good. I love this roasted flavor. So good. But today, I will use this tea for another thing for cooking. So before cooking, I have to reduce the temperature of this tea. So during reducing the temperature of the Hoji tea, I will make another thing. I will make Hojicha pudding. Hojicha pudding. Regular pudding is made with egg, but today I don't use any eggs. I will use gelatin instead. It's very easy and simple. So first, soak gelatin powder with pour 2 tablespoons of water and soak the gelatin powder. And pour 250 milliliters milk. It's about 1 cup, a little bit more than 1 cup of US cup. And put tea leaves, which I made, and boil. Okay. The aroma is coming. Don't worry, I will filter this tea leaves after this. Don't worry. Of course, you can use the tea pack made with paper, a paper pack. It's easy to clean, but it's both are okay. So reduce the heat a little bit and wait about 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute passed. The color is become a little bit brown, and the smell is a combination of the Hoji tea, roasted tea, and milk. Then turn off the heat and filter this tea leaves with paper towel. Pour this tea leaves. Pour this milk. Okay, this is a Hoji milk tea. So pour this Hoji milk tea into nabe. Oh, don't forget to clean this pot before the next step. Pour this milk and add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Turn on the heat and boil once. So dissolve sugar completely. Okay, it's boiling. And add 100 milliliters of cream. It's about 2/5 US cup. Pour this cream. It helps reduce the temperature. Why I add cream? Because I want thicker pudding. Turn off the heat. Put gelatin, soaked gelatin inside, and dissolve completely. The gelatin is a protein, so if you put in the boiling milk, boiling water, it's not good. Okay, it's dissolved completely. Then pour in this dish. So today's one is Hoji tea. So I want to make a little bit Japanese style. Okay, then chill in the refrigerator about 2 hours until it becomes thickened. So during chilling my Hojicha milk pudding, I will make another things. I brewed Hoji tea already and I will use it. I will cook Hoji tea rice. It's very nice. Hoji tea has a very good brown color. It looks like a takikomi gohan, the mixed rice, but without any ingredients. The color is similar to soy sauce. Very appetizing, and aroma is very good, like ochazuke. Ochazuke is the rice bowl with green tea. It's pretty simple. Just cook regular rice and using Hoji tea instead of water. So here I brewed Hoji tea. Today I prepared the 1 Japanese cup of uncooked rice. Already it's washed. So pour the Hoji tea. So I pour until the line 1. Close the lid and press start button and wait until it's done. Rice has cooked. Let's open. Nice aroma. I said again, aroma. Yes, the aroma is important for Hoji tea. beautiful, beautiful rice. Beautiful rice. I love this color. Beautiful. It's like a お茶漬け. Like 炊き込みご飯 or in other words, very appetizing color. So this rice is a plain, just add hoji tea. So I will add a little bit of pickles on top. I bought this pickles from Kyoto. しば漬け. It's nice. It's like a rose color. Beautiful. So, いただきます。ホジティーです。Good smell, good smell. I'm eating like good hojichaお茶漬け. I think this is good for 炊き込みご飯 too. So maybe chicken or mushrooms. This must be very delicious for 炊き込みご飯 too. It matches with this pickles. It has a little bit sourness and saltiness. The rice has aroma and roasted flavor, but no salt, so it's good. I like this hojicha flavor. Very well. I'm very looking forward to eat hojicha pudding. So, matcha pudding is ready. It's perfect. It's jiggling. The surface is jiggling. Okay, I will put sweetened azuki red bean on top and sprinkle some kinako powder. Kinako powder is a roasted soybeans powder. It matches with hoji tea. So here is hojicha pudding. いただきます。With azuki red bean paste. Oh, roasted flavor. The hojicha roasted flavor is so good. And it's very smooth and thick. The texture is perfect. It's really matches this azuki red beans. It's sweetened. I didn't put so much sugar, just 2 tablespoons of sugar. It's not overly sweet. And the sweetness matches with this azuki bean, sweetened azuki bean. So, hope you enjoyed today's recipe, hoji tea from the scratch. If you have all the green tea leaves at home, please try it. If you make these hoji tea pudding or hoji tea rice or something like that, please post on your social media and add hashtag TabiEats. If you are new to this channel, we are inviting you to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on next delicious recipe. Bye!